5, 6, 7, 8 Foolies Fridays. That's it. That's all I'm giving y'all. Cause I'm tired of your tired of all of You need to share this message with your friends and your homies too. Tired. T.I. Red. Anywho. I'm tired. Alright, message simple from the chest, from the heart, from the soul. On Foolies Fridays, with your boy ATGA, Money, Nemo, the Fishman, Names, Traumatic, Nightcrawler, Nick Fury, Johnny Kablam, the man, the fish, the legend, A Money, and all the names that you call me. Alright, so, I love y'all incredibly. And once again, my message is simple. So, it is time. It is time to let people help you just as much as you want to help everybody else. Come close. Come in. Time to start letting people help you too. You's a hustler. I get it. You be grinding. I get it. But you can't grind by yourself all the time. But Nemo, you don't understand. I've tried to bring people in and they're not good enough. They're not as motivated as me. That's not your issue, okay? You still need to be grooming someone up to handle things, to run the show, to be able to allow you to go and make some more connections, to get another network of people, to know what your company is, know what you do. Maybe you work in a corporate job, but you have to get all these different parts in place, and your lack of delegation, you wanting to do it all, you're not trusting your coworkers. This is what's sabotaging you. You need to let go. Let it go. Let it go. I don't sing, and I've never seen Frozen. Don't plan on watching it. But I think the song still has some of that cadence. You need to let it go and give the power to someone else. Someone else on your team can handle it. Someone else can handle that job. Someone else can handle that little thing that you keep, I need to make sure. No, it's okay. You need to do something else. Bosses, CEOs, anybody working side hustles, you're growing a business, whatever that is, I don't care what part of the spectrum you're on, whether you're in the suit and tie or you're doing it with your photographer, camera, swag, whatever that is. You need people on your team who can help you. And you need to trust them. You need to believe in them. Just like you wanted somebody to believe in you and to trust you and to give you opportunities. Pass this to every corporate company. Pass this to every boss. Tag your bosses right now. Give people more opportunities to help you succeed. And you who may be watching this, let go. Let it all go. You don't need to run it all. Your name doesn't need to be on everything. Your name doesn't need to be stacked on all the credentials and the credits and the awards and accolades. Let things go. You guys will never get anywhere. Ever, if you keep trying to do the dirty work, the easy work, the hard work, the left field stuff, the right field stuff. No, you are not efficient. You are a fake CEO. You are a fake boss. You are a fake leader. You are a fake manager. I said it. Fight me right now. You're fake. Get it together. Start delegating. Start letting things go. Trust your employees. Trust the people around you. Trust your team. Trust the interns. Have some freaking faith. You're not the superhero. That's not why you got into this. Do you understand me? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Do you get it? It ain't about me, it's about G.O.D. I don't really care what you put in the comment section. I'm done with all of y'all. So, with that being said, I'm out.